Exercise 5.5. See the 10th problem. What is the question given to you? Find the dy by dx is equals to. Here also you need to take into two parts. The given problem, whenever question is given to you, you divide it into two parts. It's not more difficult to you to solve the problem. Problem is lengthy here, but it's not more difficult. So in this situation, let u is equals to x power x cos x. X power x cos x. First I am taking this one. Next, second one, plus it is given that the given question is x power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 is given. So x power x cos x, the first part whatever it is given, that I am considering as a u. So taking logarithm on both sides here. Taking logarithm on both sides. What do you get here? Log u is equals to logarithm of x cos x. That x cos x will come into the as a product, x cos x into log x. So now here it is, you are going to get it as a again product of the three functions you are getting, isn't it? You are getting this one as a product of the three functions again. So when you get the product of the three functions again will you take the logarithm on both sides in this problem? Will you take the again logarithm on both sides when the problem is given to you like this? Not necessary. It confuses you more if you are taking like that. ये है product normally when it is given to you here. So directly you can go for the differentiation, but it is whenever it is given to you, this completely you take as one single function. Okay, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So 1 by u du by dx is equals to 1 by u du by dx is equals to what to do here? This one into the differentiation of x cos x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x cos x. Take this u to the right hand side. So du by dx is equals to u into x cos x. Differentiation of logarithm log x is equals to 1 by x. D by dx of 1 by x plus log x into d by dx of x cos x. So d by dx of x cos x is equals to
यूवी मेथड लगाएंगे.
it is again uv method again like. So x into differentiation of sin x is cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into differentiation of x is 1. So this in the brackets better you write here because log x should be multiplied to this one. So this x and x will get cancelled. Whatever the u is there that you write here. Du by dx is equals to x power x cos x cos x plus minus x sin x log x plus cos x log x. Still from these to a multiply करना, let it be like that only. It is not mandatory to still more simplify that. ये दोनों में से x cos x भी common ले सकते हैं if you want, or you can write it as it is. It doesn't matter that cos x common ले लिया तो 1 plus log x हो जाएगा minus x sin x cos log x, x sin x log x. Next, the second part is given in this is let b is equals to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Here no need of taking logarithm on both sides. No need of taking logarithm on both sides. Directly uv method u by v method directly use करके भी कर सकते. It's not more lengthy है ना. It is not more lengthy है. Normally u by v method use करके कर सकते हैं, but if you want to apply the logarithm हम भी apply कर सकते हैं. That is up to your choice. Okay. So next let us move to the in this section only the remaining
Sir, can I able to,
yes
sir, can I able to give how to do in log? सर एक बार लॉग में करके दिखाइए ना
व्हाट?
इसे।
ये वाला?
यस सर।
हाँ, yes, you can. Okay, log b is equals to logarithm of x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, so what do you get here? Log b is equals to logarithm of x square minus 1 minus logarithm of x square plus 1 आ जाएगा। log a by b is equals to log a minus log b. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So what you get here? 1 by b dv by dx we are going to get it. 1 by b dv by dx, which is equals to logarithm of this one is nothing but 1 by x square minus 1. Again d by dx of x square minus 1. That is 2x. x square minus 1 का 2x. Here बहुत ज्यादा लोग गलत क्या करते हैं ना, अगेन 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन भी लिखते हैं. Sometimes I used to be right like that. We are not supposed to write that. समझ में आ रहा है ना? We are not supposed to differentiate this one. We are not supposed to differentiate. इधर x square में x square minus 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन कर रहे हैं. In that x is only there. But x का प्लेस में दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन होता है तो उसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Some students may write this one by again 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन 2 होगा तो into 2 लिखता है, बट गलत है वो. You are not supposed to write like that. Why? Because x square minus 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन हम कर रहे हैं, इसमें x ही है. x टर्म में x का प्लेस पे दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन होता है तो उसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. We are not supposed to differentiate the result whatever we are getting. Okay, minus in the same way इधर x square plus 1 होगा, इधर 2x होगा. So dv by dx is equals to v into LCM करके कर लो. x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. Here 2x common ले लो, x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 you are going to get it. And dv by dx is equals to v is x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. We are going to get 2x into x square will get cancelled. 2 by x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 we are going to get x square minus 1 will get cancelled. So which is equals to 4x by x square plus 1 whole square we are going to get. इवन u by b मेथड कर लिया तो वो डिनोमिनेटर में x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है ना, होल स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. आप चाहे तो चेक कर सकते हैं. दिस वन डिनोमिनेटर इनटू न्यूमरेटर का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस न्यूमरेटर इनटू डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंशिएशन बाय x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर. इसको सिंपलीफाई करो, फाइनली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस वन ओनली. So in any way you can do it. It doesn't matter that only that way we have to do it. If it is complicated, if you are feeling it is more complicated, then you have to do it like that.
Sir, I think
Okay?
sir, log is to decrease our effort of the log.
U by V is decreasing effort only ना. वो डायरेक्ट स्टेप में आ जाएगा. ये स्टेप देखो, ये स्टेप डायरेक्ट आ गया उधर. This is not necessary. तो एफर्ट रिड्यूस करना है तो उधर कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है ना. डायरेक्टली एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इन दैट कॉम्प्लिकेशन इज नॉट एट ऑल देयर. So directly better we do it. So let us move to the next 13th problem. Little bit different problems we are going to see here. Okay. So 13th one you see here, completely question देखो, find dy by dx. dy by dx we need to find out, but it is given y power x is equals to x power y. ये देखने में थोड़ा सा confusion लगता है. The question is given that y power x is equals to x power y differentiate with respect to x. Sorry, dy by dx find out करना. Okay, so taking logarithm on both sides. In this situation, taking logarithm on both sides. So what do you get here? Log y power x is equals to log x power y. X log y is equals to y log x. After writing this, we need to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to the x on both sides. So what to do here? When you are doing the differentiation, UV method apply करना है. Okay, x into d by dx of log y. X into d by, okay, if you are getting confused, you write one step. X into d by dx of log y plus log y into d by dx of x is equals to y into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of y. प्रॉब्लम इज सिंपल, देखने में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन लगता है, बट इट इज नॉट लाइक इट. सो x into the differentiation means 1 by y dy by dx plus log y is equals to y by x. ये 1 by x हो जाएगा ना, plus log x into dy by dx. Wherever dy by dx terms are there, that all you write together. ये x by y होगा, x by y dy by dx. ये इधर लेके आओ, माइनस log x dy by dx is equals to y by x minus log y. This log y is taken to the right answer.
Sir, I know, sir, I'm not able to understand why you used to write. For
Which one?
example, sir, here, for example, it is written divided by D.
What what? What what?
Sir, I'm saying that is my voice is audible, sir.
Ah, yes, yes.
Sir, I'm saying that in the initial case, sir, you have written that y si dy by dx,
Ah,
and sir, in the second
our
second
intention.
time,
Ah,
yes, sir, I used to get confused that when to write them separate and when to write them together in some questions, sir. For example, dx by dx, they used to
dx by.
sir here dx by dx,
हाँ, dx
sir
by dx
here
क्या होगा?
x,
1 होगा ना.
yes sir. सर एक्चुअली मुझे
ये
समझ में नहीं आता है कि सर x को जो x हमारा ऊपर है, that means I want to mean sir d by dx. सर x हम separate क्यों लिखते हैं? Why you used to written the x aside?
वेयर एक्स सेपरेट किधर लिख दिया? आपका आवाज बीच बीच में कट हो रहा है बेटा. वेयर आई एम राइटिंग दैट.
Sir d divided by x.
It is not clear. It is not clear. Okay, I'll clarify your doubt later. Personally, मैं phone करके clarify करता हूँ. Okay. So now here x by y dy by dx minus log x into dy by dx. So what I am doing here, I think what you are asking, I understood, and I'll try to clarify that. You are asking that why d by dx of x is written. Where do we write at d by dx of y? So why do we write dy? ये तो y is the function in terms of x. Y is the function in terms of x. So x में वो function है in terms of y is equals to f of x, just like. So that's why it differentiating with respect to x. It's not a constant. Suppose if it is a constant, d by dx of some constant it is there, then it is 0. But y is not a constant. That's why the question is asking you to find out the dy by dx. Question में क्या वही पूछना. So all the dy by dx whatever it is there, that all I am writing together. So that if you take the common dy by dx here, we are going to get x by y minus log x is equals to y minus x log y by x. इधर क्या होगा? dy by dx is equals to, if you want here, y minus x log y by x into ये उधर लेके गए, तो y by x minus y log x. I'm writing in a simplified manner. So ये these two together you write here y by x and these two together, y minus x log y by x minus y log x. So this is the answer. Problem is not more complicated, it is simple only. It's not more complicated. Even 14th problem, if you see that in the same way, cos x to the power of y, cos y to the power of x. Okay, I'll explain to you that problem also. Fourteenth one, see here. So the question is given to cos x to the power of y, cos x to the power of y is equals to cos y to the power of x. Taking logarithm on both sides. So what do you get here? Log cos x to the power of y is equals to log cos y to the power of x. Y into log cos x is equals to x into log cos y. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. दोनों साइड से डिफरेंशिएट करना. So what do you get here? Y into UV method है ये complete second function. This is the first function. So y into d by dx of log cos x plus log cos x into d by dx of the first function, that is y, is equals to x into d by dx of log cos y plus log cos y into d by dx of x. This one into d by dx of this one plus this one into d by dx of first function. So that's simple here. Y into differentiation of the log cos x. Differentiation of log cos x is nothing but 1 by cos x. Again cos x differentiation should be done, is minus sin x plus log cos x into dy by dx is equals to x into log cos y differentiation 1 by cos y. Again cos y differentiation minus sin y. Again y differentiation dy by dx plus log cos y into 1 we are going to get. Now what to do here? Where dy by dx is there, that all you write. Otherwise, in a single term, you can write the sin x by cos x as a tan x, or you write the log cos x into dy by dx plus ये इधर आ रहा है x tan y dy by dx is equals to log cos y, and this we are taking to the right hand side by writing it as a plus y sin x by cos x. लिखने से प्लेस में tan x लिख रहा हूँ, tan x. Okay, now you can take the dy by dx common here. We are going to get log cos x plus x tan y is equals to log cos y plus y tan x. dy by dx is equals to log cos y plus y tan x divided by log cos x plus x tan y. So this is the dy by dx given function. Okay. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Next, let us move to the 15th problem. All the problems are in this, no complication is there, actually nothing to explain to you. All are same model questions only here. Difference कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay, all you can solve it. You have to solve it, so that it is an easy task to you. So 15th problem is given to you that xy is equals to e power x minus 5. ये भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, डायरेक्टली dy by dx फाइंड आउट करो. dy by dx, it's an easy task for you to do it. I think so. Let us move to the we can move to the 16th problem here. 16th and 17th and 18th. Okay, we can do it. Time is also there. xy, how do you solve it? UV method. X dy by, if directly I am writing here, shall I write directly? Is it necessary to us to take the logarithm in this problem? logarithm लेने का जरूरत है? मेरे हिसाब से तो logarithm लेने का जरूरत नहीं.
Yes, sir.
But if you
इसको
are
मैं
taking
जनरल
logarithm, what to do? If you are taking logarithm, what do you get? Both sides, if you are taking logarithm, the problem becomes a little bit simplified, still more simplified. Why? Because what is logarithm of e power x minus y? Can you say? This is equals to x minus y. Do you know? This is equals to logarithm of e power x minus y is equals to x minus y. So it becomes, when you take the logarithm on both sides, it becomes little bit simplified now. Okay, so let us do it by taking like that. And if you want here the same problem without
only
taking
part
also,
come.
why?
Part
Because logarithm, whatever we are taking, logarithm of e power x minus y can be written as x minus y into logarithm of e. So these are all to the base e only, whatever we are taking. Whatever we are taking, that are all base e only. Logarithm of e to the base e is equals to 1. Logarithm of e to the base e is equals to 1. So this is equals to 1. So which will get as x minus 1. So here, if you are taking logarithm on both sides, so we are going to get log xy is equals to logarithm of e power x minus y. So this is equals to log x plus log y is equals to log x minus y of log e to the base e. So this is nothing but, here we are going to get log x plus log y is equals to x minus y. Log x plus log y is equals to x minus y. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. 1 by x plus 1 by y dy by dx is equals to x. Differentiation of x is equals to, x का differentiation क्या है? Differentiating both sides now. 1 minus dy by dx. Now dy by dx, take it together. All dy by dx. So this is dy by dx, here plus हो जाएगा. So 1 by y plus 1 into dy by dx is equals to 1 minus 1 by x. So if you want, you can write 1 plus y by y into dy by dx is equals to x minus 1 by x. So ये इधर लेके जाओ. So dy by dx is equals to x minus 1 by x, y by 1 plus y. So simplified manner, if you want, y by x, x minus 1 by 1 plus y. Did you understand here?
Yes, sir. You have explained in a very simple manner. So initially, I will ask the lesson also. I
हाँ हाँ,
used easy method.
Actually, if you are doing the problem, both are right only. If you are doing the same problem, directly, if you are differentiating with respect to x on both sides, x dy by dx plus y into dy by y into dx by dx आ जाएगा. E power x minus y differentiation, e power x minus y, e power x differentiation e, and x minus y differentiation should be done. X differentiation is 1 and y differentiation is dy by dx. So now what do you get here? X dy by dx plus y is equals to e power x minus y minus e power x minus y into dy by dx we are going to get. So what do you get here? X plus e power x minus y, ये इधर लेके आया तो dy by dx we are going to get e power x minus y minus y we are going to get, and here we are going to get dy by dx is equals to e power x minus y by x plus e power x minus y. And for suppose to see this problem, दिखने में ये कंप्लीट dy by dx डिफरेंट आ रहे हैं ना, dy by dx is completely different here whenever you are solving. Is it right? Whatever I did. ये right है. You analyze these two problems. I'm giving the one work to you here. Analyze these two problems, whether this way of doing the differentiation without taking logarithm is right or wrong. If it is right, why these both answers are not matching? Is my question. You try. समझ में आ रहा है ना? See, that is the way to learn. अभी ये बोल दिया मैंने, ऐसा बोल दिया तो ऐसा करके चलो. Why can't we do this problem like this? Why can't we do this problem like this? If you are doing like this, why answer is not matching? Whether two answers are right only. So like this, you need to raise the doubt here. Okay? So that subject will be, you are going to learn the subject more.